Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the Blue Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. I brought the nice weather back to the, northeast, you know what I'm saying? But guys, welcome back, guys. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here, the Blue Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Yeah, listen, I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. Man, it has been great. It has been great. Been a great weekend. Now, I know the market is down. I know a lot of people were like, oh, man, we had a Bitcoin conference. I thought the market was going to go up, blah, blah, blah. But, hey, there's still a lot of turmoil going around in the world. But it's a lot of good things came out of the conference, guys, and I want to talk to you about it today. So, guys, come on in. Let's get everything started. And as you can see, I got my Bitcoin shades on, man, from Bitcoin 2022. I'm still feeling, you know what I'm saying? I'm still feeling Miami-ish, man. I'm still seeing the palm trees and everything, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to, to live that vision, you know what I'm saying? Live that life. But, man, Miami was great, man. Miami was fun. Miami, I had a good time down there with a lot of people. I met a lot of people down there that you see online. I met a lot of people that I'm cool with online, and it was fun, man. We had some drinks together, man. We relaxed. A lot of people, man, that I met with, that I seen online or I conversate with online. I seen down there. My man Jamar James came out there, always from Cali. I seen Zay. I seen King Bless. I seen E-Live and What Happened to Common Sense. I seen everybody though, man. Shout out to the whole BBB, Black Bitcoin Billionaires. Seen pretty much everybody from over there. Lisa, I seen Lisa. She's a great person. Man, it's so many people I seen down there, man, that it was great people that I conversate with a lot online. And to sit there and meet him, 19 Keys, shout out to that brother, met him down there as well. There's a lot of other people, man, a lot of other YouTubers and stuff that you see, it's like, oh yeah, you know what I mean? Oh, I seen that dude. I watched a couple of videos, you know what I mean? You see him down there, they filming and everything. So it was a lot of good stuff going on down there at the Bitcoin 2022 conference. And we're going to talk a little bit about that today. But guys, before we get into it, guys, check out Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is at $40,540. It's down over 13% for the week. Still up over 4.26% for the month. And we're down 5.31% over the last 3 months. But hey, good times are coming. All right. So, guys, if you check this out right here, guys, I see Bitcoin. We got to close above 40,678 today. We got a few more hours, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Do close out the day. It starts a brand new day. Universal time. So we gotta close above that. So we're about $100, a little over $100 away from getting there. I think we see we can do it. It's Monday. We probably can push above it, but the market is down pretty much everywhere. So don't be too nervous. I mean, $40,000 Bitcoin is great, but we gotta stay above that. We gotta get above that 50-day moving average, and that 50-day moving average is currently right now at 42.8. So we gotta get above 43. I think this is healthy. Get some dip. We could push all the way down to 39 to about 39.1. We can push down to, but we just want to stay above this line right here. We want to stay above here, all right. But we still above the, we had this downward trend right here, but we can still push back up. As you guys can see, in time, this downward trend line, can keep getting closer. You go down. We can push back up, bounce right back up, and come right back and be bullish. All right. So just don't be nervous by seeing a little price drip. Or price drop, shall I say. Price dip or price drop. But, man, so, guys, and I'll say we push above, we could have some resistance right here at 44, about 44.6. Some resistance here. But we'll see how that play out. But, man, Bitcoin 2022 conference. If you guys haven't, I'm telling you right now, go out. I've already ordered mine. I got mine already. Bitcoin 2023, guys. Bitcoin 2023. You guys can go out there and get these tickets right now, as you guys can see. Price is only $249. You guys know tickets go to $1,100, $1,000 to $1,100. Well, I'm still tired from my area. The tickets still go up to about $1,100. You know, if you wait till next year, right around the event. So, you know, just go get those tickets. And I mean, if you know, I highly suggest you go get those tickets now. I'm not getting paid anything for it, but you know, I'm just telling you, you know, you can save yourself a whole lot of money. You've seen these well passes go to 21,000. You get it for $5,000 right now. So, you know, just something to, you know, look out for and check out. But a lot of people want to know. You just Google it. Whew. Man, I got so tired. I'm still tired, man. That flight, everything. But yeah, you just Google it, guys. Just Google Bitcoin conference, and it'll just take you there. Or just go to Bitcoin Magazine website, and then you actually can go and navigate and get right there to it. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you right now, you can pay with dollars, pay with Bitcoin, whatever you want to do. But I think these tickets are only on for the next like 5 days. So I think up until Friday, I believe these tickets gonna be on for this price. You probably see them just double, just like that. So I'm telling you right now, guys, just get them. I got my ticket already, so you know what I mean. Just go from there. But man, for the people you know that want to get and learn about cryptocurrency and want to start trading and everything, join us in the elite group, DCG Elite. Guys, we have live classes inside here, different groups that we could be inside of, guys. So just come in here, join us inside DCG Elite. We have different courses, plenty of courses inside here that you able to actually can take, and then also be on the live classes. So be on the live classes, ask questions inside the live classes as well, inside DCG Elite. You know what I mean? Our own website where we're able to actually talk crypto, talk stocks and options, talk Forex, futures, whatever you want to do. But yeah, we got all that stuff over here, guys. But man, you guys see I'm so tired, but it's crazy because it was crazy. So to recap, I want to recap the conference and talk about the conference today with you guys. And what I want to recap about the conference is, guys, the biggest takeaway I can say from the conference is Bitcoin is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, right? People coming from all around the world. I met people from Europe, Africa, Asia. People flew from all around the world to get there, guys. Obviously, people from all over the country. You have people from South America, Central America, there. Man, ooh. Yeah, people from South America, Central America there. I mean, it was crazy, man. So many people. And the good thing about crypto, or should I say about Bitcoin and crypto in particular, you can just, you know, you sit down, you just walk up, sit down, people just start talking to you. People come up to you, start talking. And, you know, everybody want to know, you know, man, how long you been inside Bitcoin? How is it? You know, what are you doing? And blah, blah, blah. What do you do? You know what I mean? And how can we work with each other? I met so many people, man. It's so crazy. I got all this stuff, all these cards I got to go through. You know what I mean? All this information, all this stuff. I got books. I got everything. All this stuff I got to go through later on, start putting everything together. And a lot of people got to reach out to, man. You're meeting a lot of CEOs, developers, different projects that's out there, and you meeting the actual people that you need to talk to. You don't worry about any gatekeepers or anything like that. And I'm going to bring a lot of people onto the show. I'm going to bring a lot of other people. If you are on DCG, you're going to actually get, you know, exclusive. It'll be exclusive Q&As and things like that. But I'm going to bring some people onto the show here on the YouTube on Crypto Black YouTube channel and discuss some of the stuff that they're doing. We're going to do Q&As inside DCG so people are able to actually talk to these people. They are looking for all kind of people, man. People, you know, you're looking for a job inside crypto. Man, they have all these companies, they hiring like crazy. So if you like, listen, man, you know, I just want to work inside crypto. I want to earn some crypto. You know what I mean? Man, if you want a job, I mean, they got them. They all out there. A ton of people, and something that different people were saying that was keynote speakers. Man, it's crazy. A ton of people were saying that a lot of these banks, these positions of these banks, they're actually going over to crypto. A lot of people that's have been working at the banks, they're leaving the banks or working in traditional finance. They're leaving and going to crypto. They're coming to crypto companies. And crypto companies got more than enough money you can think of. They have tens of millions, 100 million, some of them billions of dollars that's in their war chest, and they're hiring like crazy. So people that are looking to, get a job in crypto, I would say you want to go to these conferences, especially Bitcoin conferences, because Bitcoin conferences is the creme de la creme, of this whole thing. You know what I mean? You had in 2000, they were saying in 2019, you had you said it was 2,000 people there at the conference. Ooh. Party too hard, man. I was drinking every day. In 2021, last year, the conference had 10,000 people there. This year, in 2022, this conference had over 30,000 people, at this conference. So this conference is doubling and tripling, quadrupling pretty much every year. You see what I'm saying? So you got to look at it like this. Next year, it could be 50,000 people there. And you might not even get a chance to even get a ticket. You know what I mean? Because it might be sold out. You get 50,000 to 100,000 people. And I can see it. I can see it with my own two eyes, guys. It's a lot of places you can't even move. You know what I mean? And how they had it, it was so dope how they had it, because you had, first day was industry day. So it was like different companies there, and people that's industry day. You know what I mean? And the second day, third day, fourth, it's a general admission, and you still had the companies and everything there like that. But you're able to go in, you talk to the all these different companies, and I'm editing everything now. So guys, you're gonna have a good, nice, clear video of all this stuff here as well, what I'm talking about. And also you follow me on my different socials like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok at The Crypto Black. You guys see right below at The Crypto Black. Follow me on my different socials. You see videos and stuff that I did, but we're working on a video, getting everything edited now, so we can head it out to you guys soon this week. But you have so many companies, guys, that's out there, and like I said, with the general admission tickets, you can walk around. You had different rooms. They had about 5 or 6. It was about maybe, not 5. I would say about 4 to 5 different things going on, different speakers in different rooms going on at the same exact time. So you had, things about the wallets. You obviously had your keynote speakers, like the big speakers, the main stage. Had all that stuff going on. You had different people talk about wallets, different people talk about security, also different companies. You know what I mean? That was there, that was talking, and everywhere you looked at, it was free Bitcoin. There's free Bitcoin that you just scan. You scan your thing, your phone, and enter to win free Bitcoin. But you had so many speakers talk at the same time every day in different rooms. So you was able to get a lot of stuff, a lot of information, and I'll be hopping from one room to the next. You know what I mean, like that. It was at the Miami Beach Convention Center, and it was huge, guys, huge. So you got to the point where it was a lot of information. It was a lot of things to do. Not only that, you still was able to go and you're chopping up with different people while you're there. And then outside, they had the food trucks and everything outside. So you can go out there, you can eat outside. And then they had like the sound stage outside, outside, the big open area. And you had the sound stage out there. So that was another great thing as well. But guys, that's how, and that was just regular. That was just the first, that was just, day 2, day 2 and 3, which is the speakers. And so like Kathy Wood was saying, and Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor said a great story. He said, man, so many of these different businesses and billionaires, they want to know about crypto. They're interested in crypto. He said, one story, he said that, one guy, his son told him about Bitcoin. He told him about Michael Saylor, about him. And he said, this guy is so rich that he could buy. He said he came over to his house and everything. He said, tell me about Bitcoin. He said, this guy is so rich. He said, man, this guy is so rich, he could buy the city of Miami. He says a lot of big money that's in there. And what Kathy Wood was saying, that you have so many of these companies that they like to tiptoe into, different assets, right? So she was saying that, first they allocate maybe 1% to 2%, and just to tiptoe in, and they seeing that their money is growing like this at this pace, how Bitcoin grows, then they're gonna throw in 5%, then 10%, 20%, 30%. And by the time they start doing that, guys, you're going to see Bitcoin explode. So people that's into it right now, don't get nervous, guys. Don't get nervous when you see, say the price dip a little bit. Every time it's a dip, it's an opportunity for you to get some more at a lower price. You know what I mean? I met so many people that, that got in at 2012, 2013, 2014. I met one lady, her mother, it was a mother, and she got her son into Bitcoin. That's the funny thing. So, and usually hear the other way around, but she got it in 2014, and she said she bought thousands of dollars worth of it, and she said she basically just let it sit. You know what I mean? And so she kept telling people about Bitcoin. She went down a rabbit hole. She said she was like the weird mom, talking about Bitcoin, and people wasn't getting it. And 2017 kept rolling around. Everybody want to jump in, and she said that everybody, all of a sudden she was the cool mom. So I think that was a good story. We was just talking, chopping it up. I met another gentleman, man, down there, man. He was like, hey man, get your bit. We sitting there at the sound stage, the last day, the music festival. You had everybody there. You had Big Boy, Killer Mike, all of them there. You had Steve Aoki, I believe his last name is. You had Logic there. You had a lot of people that was there, man. And concerts was going on. A big concert going on outside. Another concert going on inside. And then you had the comedy show inside as well, down the hall. I mean, it was upstairs down the hall. I mean, it was so much stuff going on. Man, it was a big party on the last day. This is Saturday night. Big party going on. Everybody partying, having a hell of a time, great time. Man, I was sitting back, kicking it back, man, chilling. And man, we was having a real good time. You're going to meet so many people. I met people, running different mining rigs. One gentleman, he was like, hey man, we sitting there chilling, like, yo man, I'll get you a beer. I'll get you a beer. Back and forth, man. We buying each other beers. We was drunk as hell. You know what I mean? Sitting down. We just, at the party. You know what I mean? Saturday night. And a lot of industry events. I went to the Bitstamp event. Bitstamp party. They had this was Thursday night. Bitstamp party. They had a ton of people. Met a ton of people over there. You also had a few other companies, Anchor. A lot of people had parties. You had Rick Ross. He had a couple of big parties down there as well. He's performing a few things at Live down there. So the club called 11. So it was a lot of things down there. You seen a lot of NFTs built on the on Bitcoin blockchain as well. So that's something to look out for, guys. A lot of mining companies down was talking as far as they're in, just pretty much showcasing what they're doing, like liquid mining. Yeah, all these different things they was doing as far as mining, to try to combat this whole crypto and Bitcoin, use all this energy, right? So I mean, it was very fascinating to see, how this all gonna play out, and I'm seeing one gentleman. He had a company. It's like the Wix for NFTs and Wix for tokenization and everything like that. Pretty much drag and drop. And you know, it's so much that was going on there, guys, that I'm telling you, I think you guys need to understand next year you have got to go, because the amount of people that I met there at the event, it's going to be life changing. You know what I mean? Because the people, they want to work with each other. People want to work with you. So everybody, the first day, hey man, what do you do? What do you do? And they dare come there just to, you know, to chop it up and see, you know, how we can all work together. And because at the end of the day, man, we look at it as Bitcoin and crypto, you know, we look at it as, hey man, you know, we're changing the world, you know, and we're gonna be a part of this. So let's work together. You know, a lot of gatekeepers, you know, try to keep some of the gatekeepers out of it. Now, you're going to another thing besides the mining, a ton of companies are there, and they specifically about wealth management. They're about, and also transactions. It was a ton of emphasis on the Lightning Network this year. A ton of people was talking about Lightning Network. It was a ton of information on Lightning Network and how to do different transactions. So it was all focused on like more like merchants, right? It was more focused on how can we get more merchants to accept Bitcoin and utilizing the Lightning Network. So this here was really something I thought was fascinating, because it was really big on and everyone is trying to be the first, you know what I mean? Trying to be that first company, and everyone is trying to be take the lead in it. And so I think that right there is going to be great as well for the future, because we know if more people are able to buy Bitcoin and pay for things in Bitcoin, you know, obviously, you know, if you're looking for not only for its freedom, you know what I mean, 'cause you control your own bank, but that affects the price as well. The price is going to go up because a lot of these merchants are going to take it. A lot of people start putting it on their, putting it on their balance sheets as well. And they're going to hold it, hodl, you know what I mean? Hold the coin, hodl it, and then it's going to, go to another level. But, yeah, guys, I'm telling you right now, I think, and that's my little recap on the Bitcoin 2022 conference. And I'm telling you right now, guys, if you guys go, it's going to be life-changing for you, because you're going to meet a ton of people, and it's going to help you out in your journey in this crypto space. And it's good putting faces to names. It's good, you know, looking people in their eye and talking to them, because, you know, this virtual stuff and online and talking, yeah, that's cool and all, but sitting there and be able to shake people's hands and talk to them face to face, have a drink with them, I think that's big. You know what I mean? You're able to, you know, extract as much information you can out of that person, and they can do that for you as well, and then you can go from there. But it's a ton of money management coming into the space, guys. You know, people know this is a different wealth class, different asset class, should I say, and it's a ton of money coming to the space, and a ton of jobs that's out there for people that are looking to work in the crypto space. And it's going to be exciting to see how these merchants are going to be tied in with the Lightning Network, and how we able to take advantage of the opportunities. But guys, I'm going to see you guys next video. I just want to come here and do a recap. Watch out for the video later on this week of the Bitcoin 2022 conference. If you guys want to see a nice little different videos, make sure you guys click the link. Look below. Look for social medias, guys, at the Crypto Black on TikTok. We Crypto Black here on YouTube, obviously, but on TikTok, on Instagram. Also, we're on TikTok, Instagram. We're on Twitter as well. So just look out for all the different things. And guys, I'll see you guys next video. It's your guy Crypto Chuck. Here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.